Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add funds onto your Trust Wallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Trust Wallet application on your device and proceed forward with your PIN code or your biometric. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page. Now within this page, if you don't already have any funds within your account, you will see the Fund Your Wallet option. You can tap on this, or you may also tap on the Fund option at the top. This will then show you the various different funding methods that you can choose in order to add funds. Tap on whichever option you prefer. If you are receiving from someone else, you can tap on the Receive from Another Wallet option. You can also transfer using an exchange, or you can directly buy crypto using your credit or debit card. After choosing your desired method, just enter the amount that you wish to buy and then choose your payment method. After choosing from the various different methods, you can proceed with the Continue button, and you will need to provide your payment method information to finalize the payment. Once your payment has completed, the crypto will now be added to your account right away. And now you can directly start trading. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add funds onto your Trust Wallet account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.